In this video, I am going to show you how we can create custom tab in Microsoft Excel 2016. So Excel has some tabs on the ribbon, like you can see here: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. And in last video, I have shown you how you can add developer tab in the ribbon. Also, you can add your own custom tab if you want. Excel give you this option uh, to make your own custom tab. Like you can add your favorite options on this tab and create groups of commands. Like here you can see font group, clipboard, alignment, number. So let's create our new tab. So first of all, click on File and click on Options. Here you will see this Customize ribbon, and here you can see the customize the ribbon option, and under this is the main tabs, and these are the tabs. You can see to add your own tab, just click on the tab. For example, I have click on developer, and after developer my tab will be visible to you. So click on new tab, and here you can give it a name. Click on rename. I can give it a my tab, and here is new group. So you can add commands here. So for example, I want to add copy command, cut command, email command, and I can give it this group name, uh, like editing. Also, I can add as many group as I can. Click on new group and add some more, like font size, font color, font, insert picture, macros. So if you want to give it a name, you can give it font group and click on OK and click on OK. So here you can see your own custom tab, and it contains the option you have added. So in this way, you can create your own custom tab. Thanks for watching.